I got the Koyo Rad because my CSF was too fat, and meaning too fat, it was too thick and it would hit that little brace right there from Racing Beat. So just be mindful when you get a thick radiator, it might interfere with your sway bar. Then we are updating the fan setup right here. We're doing actually a lot of updates to this car coming up this year, just FYI. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. What else do I have? Moroso coolant tank, expansion tank. I didn't do a wire tuck on this car, by the way. So if you guys are curious why there's still wires everywhere, it's because I wasn't actually going after a wire tuck. So you could see my wire loom right there. But we did do like a wire tuck on Lauren's car, Low Too Slow. A lot better than this, because on her car, I removed this and I put it inside, and it was a total nightmare because you had to depin everything here and then move this and put it inside, and now you have space here. So I highly, highly do not suggest wire tucking because it's a total pain in the butt. And when you need to fix something, you have to go fish for it. But yeah, I just got rid of most of the stuff that we don't need anymore, and that's why it looks cleaner. So we got this fuel rail right here from Flying Miata, and then ID 1050X. This is running on Mega Squirt, but we do have a Haltech for this. And then also it's on E85, like I said, and it makes like 300 horse. It's actually not too bad. I don't want to make more than that because this is a stock bottom end, though it is an iron block and it can take it. I just don't want to friggin' rebuild this engine way like too soon, all right? Because I spent way too much money on this. Then we got an ATI damper right here, and you know, my alternator stock. I did do a deep power and then e-power steering, so I don't have my like power steering stuff in here anymore. But everything's pretty clean, as you can see right there. No leaks, nothing. When I got this car had oil leaks everywhere. Mind you, I didn't even remove the engine on this thing. I just built it on the car and fixed it and all that stuff. And then we also have a V8 Roadster subframe, tubular subframe, so it's pretty nice. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but the engine's actually the OEM color because I didn't have time to remove the engine and paint it during SEMA because I only had 30 days initially when I built this car. So there's that HKS filter right here. Most of these hardware that you see is brand new, including a brand new motor for the headlight, which is stupid expensive. Man, there are things that you can buy from Mazda that's brand new, that's cheap, but the headlight motor is not one of them. And then we have the Willwood tandem brake master cylinder right here. And then I made my own cowl panel block off. Oh, and then under the hood is also two-tone, kind of like the taillights I mentioned earlier. And then these right here are the quick latches. See that? These are nice, but I don't know why on Lauren Low Too Slow's car it keeps popping up when we're driving, so we probably need to adjust that. But there you go. That's a quick rundown of the car. There are a lot more things to talk about on this, but yeah, this video is way too long already, so we'll do another session on a later date. But now let's talk about the Integra real quick.